Okay, good evening. Now I'm reading this important article. It's called Capo in Bean, the final guide for the coffee. Abstract. The city of Trieste has a great cultural tradition of coffee, but the Foresties have always a lot of difficulties in understanding the peculiarity of the Triestine coffee names that are different from the other cities. We propose here a classification of the principal Triestine coffees to help people to distinguish from a Capo in B, from a caffè latte, from a nero, from a macchiato coffee. Okay, we jump introduction, material and methods, boring. Results. We give here a link of the principal Triestine coffees. Nero. The Nero is the espresso of the rest of Italy. The name derives obviously from the color. Even in some superficial research, may say that all coffees are black. However, if you ask a Nero in the Friul, the evil neighbors, Udin, they will give you a beaker of wine. Capo is the diminutive of the word cappuccino. That is too long for the speechos Triestines. Cappuccino is boring. Capo is very fast. However, this cappuccino is not the Italian cappuccino, but it is the Italian macchiated coffee. Capo in B, not the B, the B, but in B. Okay, A B. Speechos form for the cappuccino. Cappuccino means macchiated coffee. In bicchier, that means in bicchier. There are a lot of hypotheses for this preference of putting the coffee in a bicchier. Some like to see the coffee in the bicchier, that is transparent, to evaluate the color on the spume. Some says that the glass disperses faster the color, so you can drink the coffee without bruising your lips and before it loses its aroma. Some says that their mouth is habituated to drink ottavos in osmiza with the beakers, so they don't want to change the shape of the beaker. Some say that it is more fashion. It is more fashion to drink in a beaker than in a cup. Some say that the glass is more hygienic than the ceramic that is porous. Some say that, non so, viva l'Hypobon. Some say, ma esiste anche in tazza? And finally, some say that they just want to break the maroons to the camera asking in Capo in B, and not the cappuccino normal. Okay, Capo in B, Tanta Special. The Capo in B, this is the Capo in B with a lot of schium, Tanta, and a spruzzade of ciculat pulver, Special. A proposito of ciculate, always remember that in Triestine the ciculate is pronounced cioccogliata, like barcoglia, okay? Caffè latte. The caffè latte is the Italian normal cappuccino, so you are correct. Deca is the speechos form of the caffeinato. Cough the coughed to not become too coffee. Goccia is the solid speechos form for gocciato, that is too long gocciato. Goccia is easier. The correct is the nero, corrected with a cicinine or something, generally trape. Trappe. Okay. Then we have an interesting thing is the Café de Café. The Café de Café is not an official coffee that you can find in a bar, But the Café de Café is very particular because it is used principally by tired university students and consists in making a coffee with the mocha and then making another coffee using the first coffee to replace the water in the mocha. So you have a café of café. It's more powerful. Then there are more personalization and combination. The Triestines loved to break the marrons to the cameriers with a lot of personalization that cannot be understood. These personalizations are, for example, I want a cappuccino in a giant taz or in a medium taz that are different from the smaller taz. I want it with cold milk, with hot milk, with capri milk. I want a double restrict nero, a long nero, a small nero, a long capo, a capo manighetto, a capo misciated with plastic cucciarin, a capo misciated with iron cucciarin, a capo misciated with barman's finger, a capo with white sugar, with brown sugar, with aspartame simil sugar, a capo piccio in tazza granda, a capo grando in tazza piccia, a capo deca correct, a capo correct deca, a nero in B tanta deca, a goccia in capo nero maciate deca special, and a capo in cazzà nero in 50 special, and infinite others.
Very much, Diego. It's fantastic. Now I don't know which sort of coffee to get, so